What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Super random video. The homie Jimmy, you guys know him. He had the R32 that was always on my channel. Then he got the NSX, and now he has this. He randomly hit me up saying, bro, I got a new car, let's test it out. So this car is a 996 911 turbo, right?
Yeah.
With upgraded turbos, tune out 91, everything else is pretty much stock. Or it has like a clutch. And he says he honestly doesn't know how fast it is, so he wants to test it out with the Z. He says it makes like 440 wheel and like 500 torque. So I think this thing is gonna gap us, guys. It's all-wheel drive. I spin a little bit, so it's definitely gonna be interesting. What do you think, bro?
Dude, honestly, I have no idea how fast. I think you're gonna win, but I feel like it's gonna keep up.
Yeah, I feel like
I think you're gonna top end.
Yeah, it's gonna be either a close race or I'm gonna get gapped. Straight up.
I'm gonna get gapped.
Somebody's gonna get gapped, bro.
Yeah, somebody's gonna get gapped.
All right, let's go ahead and go test this thing out in Mexico. Sheesh, guys, I'm still shaking.
Hey, did you see if my wing was up or down?
I didn't see, but right now it's up.
Yeah, I put it up right now. It should automatically go up and down.
Dude, I'm literally shaking right now, guys. This car, whenever I do pulls, whenever I race in it, every single time after, I'm just like, dude, for this being a relatively stock car, yeah, it has upgraded turbos, but it has stock exhaust. It's on 91. It did pretty well, dude.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna lie.
This thing could literally pass smog right now.
Yeah. So I did tell him once I think he's gonna do like a full exhaust, put on E85. That should be around 600, he said.
It should be, yeah.
So once that happens, we'll catch a rerun and see how that happens. You'll for sure get me at that point. It's gonna be interesting.
For a little boomer car.
Dude, this shit is sick, bro. How much you want for it?
Damn, bro. Not for sale, not for sale.
So he actually said, I don't know if you guys pay attention that much, but he's always getting new cars, bro. Always like buying new cars and then selling them. He said this is pretty much gonna be like his R32. He's gonna keep it for a couple of years, maybe even forever. Who knows?
Maybe, yeah, maybe.
But he just told me what kind of wheels are gonna go on this car. Whew. I can't spoil it too much, but just know, bro, hot boy. So I actually asked the homie Jimmy to give me a ride in this thing so I can feel the power. Let's go ahead. Yeah, let's go. My first time ever in a Porsche. Or am I saying it wrong? Porsche?
Porsche, doesn't matter. Oh, this is an old one though.
Dude, this thing is nice.
She's a little old.
Carbon fiber, I see you.
Vintage, yeah, dude. Yeah. Oh.
How do you bring on the windows?
Oh, right here, it's actually in the middle.
What the?
Bro, like I said, it's stock exhaust. Dude, you can't even hear it. Alright, ready?
Yeah. Can you hear the turbos at all or no?
No, you can't, dude. Maybe a little tiny bit with the windows down. But it's sad because you can't hear the spool, dude. You know, like you feel the boost, but you can't hear it. It feels weird. It feels like it's an NA car with lag, dude. So here, we'll do a little second gear pull.
For sure. Whoa! Holy shit! Around the corner, bro? What the fuck? Oh my god! Dude, that just scared me.
The Porsche, dude.
Hey, yo. The only car that kind of felt the same was Nick's.
Yeah?
But this one felt a little scarier, bro. Holy shit. That was second gear?
Yeah, second, third.
Oh, damn, bro.
So it feels fast, right?
It feels like a roller coaster. Here.
So I can't brake boost, so once I can brake boost, I feel like it'll be a lot faster.
This thing feels like 500, bro.
Feels faster than it. That's what I'm telling you, bro. I I was able to tell how fast it was because it literally feels really fast, you know. But I mean, it is fast.
No, it's quick, dude. This thing is quick.
But it felt a lot faster than it is. It's just super torquey gear when you want it.
All right, this is third gear, guys.
Let's see if we can get a little higher up on the speed.
It's funny though because it's so quiet.
That's what's weird about it,
Yeah,
bro.
it's super quiet, bro. But this thing freaking pulls. Randomly seen the homie Panda, and I told him to pull up. E-class boys. What's up, buddy? I can't wait till this dude straight pipes it, bro. It's gonna be so sick. That's not bad though, bro, for a relatively stock car, upgraded turbos, 291 versus my car. Sheesh. Good run to the homie, always. What's up with you, bro?
We're gonna run it right now or what? I want to race him off of a dig. You don't want to.
Yeah, because the moment I launch it, poof.
Hey, my dip's fucking shot out too. I need to do my bushing. Shit clunks every now and then.
You guys might remember when he first bought it, we took off the wrap by my house. You can still kind
I
of see
still
it.
haven't got it cleaned up. Don't talk shit.
This shit's sick, dude. You know, I was actually selling the Q50 and I was gonna get one of these.
I found a couple on the market that they're drunk as fuck how much they want for them, and then I found some cheap ones too.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah, but well, I haven't really said it on the vlog, but I am gonna keep the Q50 after all.
For what? Get a Z. Trust me, you're gonna have so much more fun in a Z.